Hey guys, I wanted to create this quick video for you. We kind of got stuck on uploading files, local files into Google Drive, and it turns out that it's a little bit more work than you would normally do if you had a regular Python installation. So if you go the route of just using Google Colab to do your work in this workshop series, then these are the steps that you're going to need to go through. So recall that the way we open a Jupyter notebook in Colab, assuming that you've already done the download from the course, and I'm going to demonstrate that using the Data Science Master download that the link is provided for you in the course. So I'm going to choose this icon to access my Google Drive. And once that is accessed, you're simply going to navigate to the Jupyter notebook that you want to open. And I'm just going to choose this one because I kind of have a starter file already that we can go through. Double clicking on it, you need to connect the app to Colaboratory. And once you do that, here are the steps in order to be able to import a local file into Google Colab so you can use it and do your analysis. So of course you're going to have to import pandas because pandas is how you're going to ultimately get it into a data frame. But one additional import you're going to need is this Google Colab import files library, and that is going to allow you to be able to select the file that you want to choose for import. So we're going to run this cell, and it's great, nothing happens. That's essentially what you expect. But this next line of code here is what actually allows you to, it shows a pop-up window and it prompts you to actually go to the file and select the one that you want to get and upload. And you can upload multiple files, but I'm just going to demonstrate uploading one file. So it's this line of code. I'm going to save it in something called uploaded, and I'm going to apply the upload methods to the files. Okay, and so when you run that, what happens is you get a prompt to navigate to the file you want. And again, you're going to navigate to the downloaded folders that you, wherever you put that folder that we downloaded. So I think I put mine in downloads, and then I'm going to find that Data Science Master. Okay, so wait a second. I didn't want to do the zip. That's why it's taking forever. Hold on a second. Let me run that again. Sorry about that. I don't know why. Okay, so it's not showing the actual data science folder that I unzipped right now. Hold on a second. Let me see if I can find it just by sorting by the name. Perhaps I can find the folder data science. Oh yeah, here we go. It was weird. Okay, so anyway, navigate to the Jupyter data folder, and let's just choose products hotel, and we choose to open that. And once you do that, we should have gotten a confirmation that this was uploaded successfully. Sometimes you may have to run it a couple of times, so let me run it again. Choose products hotel. Yeah, so this is what we want. We want this thing to say it's 100% done. Once it's it says that, that's confirmation to you that a file was uploaded, and you can run this line of code just to show you the name of the file you uploaded, and that's just going to be further confirmation. And you note here that that's the name of the file. You're almost done. Now you have to run one other line of code, and essentially you could just copy all of these things, but you just have to remember to replace this line with the actual name of the file here that you it's confirming that you uploaded, and so you put that in place and you run it, and If nothing happens, everything went well. I actually saved this in a data frame DF, and so I can actually print out the first 5 rows of the data frame DF, which consists of importing the products hotel CSV file from my local drive. And as you can see here, we get the first 5 lines of that file. So it's not terribly difficult, but there are a few additional steps if you're going to use Colab in order to import a file for use in your Jupyter notebook.